You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Whatcha? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in, because in this video we are going to take a close look at the Super 8-bit game. So this is not like a normal 8-bit system, no, like it says here, Super. But how super is it? First, a little bit of an ASMR mode, because we're going to do an unsealing. Oh yeah, do you like it? I don't, because I can't get the freaking plastic off. Oh yeah. So that's what I like about getting new stuff. And I hate plastic. But the weird thing with these devices from AliExpress is like, it's always like a gamble what you're going to get. And basically that was my mission here. Like, I want to review most of these devices just to see if there are any decent ones in the, let's say, the millions of shops that you can find on AliExpress. And this one looks kind of cool. It comes even with a light gun, and it has two controllers, and of course the PlayStation Slim model. But this is not the original, but the Slim model of the PlayStation 1 they ripped off. They love the rip-off stuff, even Gal and Street Fighter figures, but it has nothing to do, because it's going to be 8-bit power, and nothing to do with Street Fighter. Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing, because that's what I love to do here on the channel. So consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become one of the Wicked family. And, okay, wow. Wow. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but this thing has like normally like just original white color oven system, but this thing has looked like a freaking Smurf, like, look at this. And more plastic. Can I remove it? Yep, I can remove it. Okay, first the smelling test. Oh man, this thing smells chemical, like to the maximum level. I reviewed a couple of these like fake 8-bit PlayStation 1 version, but this, I think this, I can say this is the next level, like, of weirdness. Like, look at this, like, oh, this styrofoam is super cheap. Oh, look at the controller. Oh, this is like really cheap, and it almost weighs nothing. The controller is the same freaking story. Like, it's even like, what the hell is going on? Like, the plastic fantastic. My hands feel kind of weird, by the way, because this thing is like a weirdness. It's not really sturdy. I think I can even break this thing. Let's see what we're going to get here. Like the toilet paper manual that explains how to connect it. Fun fact, like they're actually like showing CRT on this piece of paper. The toilet paper, I like to call them. But what do we get with a power supply? The barrel jack connection, and it needs 9 volts. Okay. Some of these devices are working on 5 volts. It's a very long time I had a PlayStation 2, or sorry, PlayStation 1 Slim in my hands. But this thing looks kind of cool. Okay, one thing will be a question, like, will this thing has built-in games, or will this thing have like a lot of naughty games, or nothing at all? Of course, we're going to get the cheap AV out cable, and I need to give myself some time to remove the plastic, of course. And then we're going to get the second controller. Just going to leave it in. So let's connect this bad boy. We're also going to do a tear down to see what's inside. And first, let's smell again, because yeah, this thing smells really, oh my god. I'm getting high off plastic from China. Okay, so we've plugged in the jack cable. Kind of weird that we're having a jack for the AV out. I know, like, it's familiar. I'm familiar with it with the handhelds, but not with the systems. Okay, everything but connected. There's no idea like that indicates that this thing is on, so it's going to be a freaking gamble. Alright, so I'm surprised that this thing comes with built-in games, so that is quite naughty. And yeah, of course, this with gazillion games on it, that's like a freaking lie. And in total, I think there would be around like maybe 10 games or something like that on it. Yeah, doesn't even matter, like a lot of games. I also noticed that they are running on the PAL hertz, like it's 50 hertz. I need to do some reconfiguration with my camera. Okay, so the image quality is not the best I have seen, but for the cheap device, and somehow the controls seem to be like working. Oh, surprising. Oh crap, almost messed it up. Okay, so next up, let's play and beat 'em up. Will all my buttons work? Yeah, I do have like actually like turbo buttons. You think you're tough? Come here, I put you in the face. Mortal Kombat style uppercut, baby. Oh crap, the wrong button. No, you're not going to do that to me. Woo! Woo! Flawless victory. Okay, so next up, let's try the light gun. Oh. Wow, it seems to be working. So basically what I did, I put the first control in port 1 and the light gun in port 2. And yeah. Okay, let's put it a little bit farther. Oh yeah. I'm surprised that this thing actually works. Oh yeah, I'm a roll, baby. I'm a roll. Woo. You feel lucky, punk. Next up, clay shooting. Oh yeah. Come on. This is actually like fun to play, even now. Come on. And I'm not cheating, seriously, like I'm not cheating at all. Like this thing actually works pretty damn good. Oh! Oh! I missed it. The question remains, can we play actually some Famicom games on this thing? Let's find out. Alright, so let's try the Earthworm Jim game, Groovy. So, and I'm playing it on the CRT, and I'm guessing like on LCD it doesn't have like a really super bad signal out. And I have played with a lot of these Famicom clones, even the old ones from back in the 90s. But this is like not bad at all, yeah. I'm always messing this part up. Oh crap, this game is really hard. Oh man, this is not actually my game. And if you're feeling like super naughty, you can even seem to be working with multi-game cards if you want to play it like this. So this thing is even compatible with those things. And no, for the people wondering, I don't have an EverDrive, so I cannot test it out. No. Okay, so first of all, this thing smells chemical, like seriously, like it's really bad. But I do like the form factor of this device. But let's open it up just to see what are we going to get in the inside. And yeah, the signal output. See, these are like the products from AliExpress that I feel surprised by, because they're not that bad. Like, I have seen my share of shitty Famicom clones, and most of them are not even working anymore. But this thing, and you're not paying actually like a lot of money for it. So if you're searching for a fun 8-bit experience, why not, you know? Why not? But what are we going to get in the inside? There we're going to get the biggest surprise. So first of all, the top shell. There's nothing really special with this, like the mechanism. And the construction of the spring is, to be honest, not bad at all. I did notice, like with the flaps or the dust covers, it's all like a freaking nightmare. But there was no dust cover, of course. Only the big flap at the top. And oh man, look at this. Oh, if you're looking at the old technology, we're going to get this gigantic PCB with transistors and stuff like that. But there's nothing in here almost. And yeah, that's it. Like the PCB over there, that basically is for the input and the output. Input for the power, output for the signal. Then we're going to get this gigantic slot compared with this tiny PCB that is on here. And yeah, I think the processor in combination with the storage for the games, it seems to be using even a sharp chip. Then we're going to get over here the PCB that contains the reset on and off switch. Ribbon cable connects over here to the controller ports. And it says here the PS1 LED 3 no. And this thing has been made in 2018. So this thing is already a couple of years old when I'm making the video. So that's it. Like, there is nothing much in these things, but the end result is not bad at all. Yeah, so normally I'm quite negative about these products because I knew like they are like shit to begin with. But yeah, they are like not good quality. They're not like the original Nintendo quality when it comes to the light gun. I can't still remember I had one with a PlayStation 2 8-bit weirdo version, and basically the trigger broke off instantly when I tried it. This feels a little bit more sturdy. Yeah, the controls, I must say it actually plays pretty good on this weird PlayStation Mini look-like thing with this very short cable. And yeah, everything smells really really chemical, and my hands feel like there's something of a dust of like, ugh. I don't like it at all. But overall, the controls in combination with everything, it was not that bad. And even the light gun seems to be working. Yeah, let me know just let me know, what do you think of these devices? Did you ever own one? And yeah, would you consider buying something like this? Well, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become on the Wicked family. And I will see you in the next video.